Hi friends. Welcome back to Darky Salesforce tutorial series. I hope you are doing well. In previous video day 6, we understood how objects are created in Salesforce. Or we can say, how tabs are created in Salesforce. If you haven't watched previous video, I request you to watch, because this video you can understand after that. In this video, we will learn how fields are created in Salesforce. Let's continue. First of all, see this table that we have seen in previous video. These are the fields that are going to be created. ID is an auto increment field, so we will leave it and will focus on all other fields. Let's go on Salesforce Platform to perform these tasks. Here we are. Please select our application from here, that is Wipro CRM, if not selected. So we created Employees tab in last video. On clicking this, we will found nothing inside this, only the New button is there. On clicking New button, you will get a form with Save and New and Cancel button, but there are no fields to enter data. To create fields in Salesforce, click on Setup. On clicking Setup you will get this page, same as we seen in previous videos. Click on Create. Then Objects. Now you will get the list of objects that we have in our application. If you want to create new object, then click on New Custom Object. All object creation steps are explained in previous video. You can watch previous video, if you haven't watched. Now select our object, that is Employee Object. On clicking Employee Object, you will get this page. This page is called Object Definition page, where all the informations can be found for a particular object. Standard fields. Standard fields are nothing but the fields that are given by default by Salesforce. Standard fields are also called audit fields. There are basically 4 fields are given by default by Salesforce. Name, owner, created by, last modified by. We cannot hide standard fields from page. Next is custom fields and relationships. As we want to create custom fields, we required this. To create field, click on New. On clicking New, you will get this page. This is the main part of the field creation. From this, we will get the type of our field. Like, our field will be number, text, drop-down etc. We can select only one type at a time. Data types are self-understandable. As you can see, in left side we have data type and right side we have definition. As we are going step by step. In first step we will focus on data types that are below checkbox and checkbox also. Let me give you a quick definition of all fields. Checkbox. Checkbox is used to provide check button in the form. Like true or false. Mail. For any type of amount, we will use currency data type. This is basically used for the amount field. For date and time we can use date and date/time data type. For emails we will use email type. For any type of location fields we will use geolocation. For numeric values we will use number type. For any type of result in percent, we will use percent. For phone numbers, we will use phone. Pick list. Pick list is called drop-down list in other programming languages, where we have to select one or multiple values from drop-down. If have filled any application form, then you may have select any value from multiple values like courses, countries, gender etc. Pick list multi-select is used to select multiple values from drop-down. For single line text, we will use text data type. For multiple lines we have text area long and text area rich. For any encrypted text, we have text encrypted. Like bank account number can be encrypted. For time, we have time data type. And last one is URL. For any type of website's URL we have URL data type. These are the most common data types that are used in Salesforce. So, as per our table, first field is name. And for name we will select text data type. because name is the text value. Now, click on Next. On clicking Next you will get step 2. In this step we have a form. Field label, fill field label as name. Length, 50. Field name will auto-populate. Description, fill the respective description about the field, like why you created and what is the use of this field. It should be make understand to the other person who work on this form in future. Help text, any type of extra information that can help to other persons. Required, if you want, that this field should be mandatory field, then check this checkbox. Unique, if you want this field should be unique, then you can check this. Basically we do not use this in name, phone, address and these type of fields, that can be multiple in the organization. We can use this on fields like email, PAN card, employee ID, etc. Next is default value, we can set default value for the field from here. For text values we will use single quote and for numeric values nothing. Now click on Next. This is the step 3. In this step, we have multiple departments. We can set for which department this field should be visible and for which should be read only. Visible means, if any department has visible permission, then he can modify and view the record. Read only means, only can view the record, but can't modify. As we are in learning step, we will make visible for all departments. Now click on Next. This is the step 4. Step 4 is nothing, but just to show information about our field and set this field to page layout. We will do nothing here, as the layout is already selected. Now click on Save. Now you can see that we have one field in custom fields and relationships. This is the step creation step. By this way, you can create multiple fields. Now go on Employees tab. Click on New. You will see, the field we created, is available here. Fill the value in it, and click on Save. Once you click, you will get that particular record. Here you will notice, Employee ID, that we did not set, but we are getting in this way. If you remember, we set this, in object creation page as auto increment. All other fields are standard fields else name. That's it in field creation. Now take a form example and create all those fields in the form. Please like, share and subscribe to get notifications for upcoming videos. Thank you.